I'm Cecelia Louie of Paper Zen. Okay, I just want to say thank you. 10,000 of you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, and I just find that utterly amazing. I was really hesitant to start a YouTube channel, but every time you've given me a thumbs up, it's given me the endurance to keep going with these paper tutorials. And every time you've given me a kind comment, it's given me the courage to put more of my thoughts out there. Even though I made these tutorials for you, I can't begin to tell you how much it's helped me learn and grow more about myself. And I think the most rewarding aspect of all this is knowing how it's helped you in your craft room. So thank you to everyone who's told me about their progress and how they're starting or what stage they're at, because it makes me feel like I'm not just me by myself in my craft room. Now, they say to do something that scares you every single day, and this being on camera, it scares me. But I really wanted to commemorate this milestone and to thank you. So to thank you, the first 10 people who leave a comment down below can choose anything from my shop. And if you already have everything that you want, then you can put yourself on a waiting list, and the next time I put something out that you want, you just let me know, okay? Just leave me a way to contact you. I have lots of ideas and not enough time. I work full-time as a graphic designer, so Paper Zen is something I do when I have free time, and I'd love one day for it to become more. So until then, thank you so much for all your support.